Hello and welcome everybody. BBBY stock on 13 January. Let's start with the steps in this video about the price prediction and analysis and news today that can be absolutely applied in this. Okay, we can go for a further price predictions and analysis, but we wanted to focus only on a thing that is going to be very important to know where this BBBY. So I think this is going to be referring back to what we wanted to know when we have to see the stock is going to be a thing that is very important to be explained. Instead, it's going to be about another stock that is not going to be that is going to be ignored or however. So we have to care about it because it may be one that it can increase in this fire and this spike. Okay, but now we are now on 15 minutes. So think about it, 15 minutes update, and if we went for 1 hour it wanted to make this increase. Okay, so however, this spike was successfully done to be on 10, 11, 12 January, 13 January. Maybe it can go for another spike decrease in momentum, maybe an increase. So we have two changes on B Bath and beyond in this stock. Okay, in this two price predictions. So we can have first price prediction would be for the increase in momentum from a level to another level. So we can go to draw the right retracement here, and we will focus on a thing that is going to be related to here, to this part here. Okay, we can see that increase maybe from 5 USD and the 24 cents would be the increase until 7 USD. So it could be a difference about 1 USD and 80 cents. Okay, if the decrease, it's going to be a decrease from 5 USD to maybe to this level. Okay, so we have to focus on decrease from this level to this level. So it's going to be about the same amount, maybe 2 USD or 1.80. So they can increase and decrease the same amount. However, we all started to invest on the BBBY below than this value. It are going to maybe go to sell it because this is going to be very good indication that BBBY will start to increase again with spike. Since it was in August, it increased with about a value of 24 USD difference from 4 or 5 USD, and it increased until 29. So 25 USD difference or 24 USD difference had been added to this chart in order to be known as a value in the Bath and Beyond stock. Okay, let's see what is going to be when we have such an explanation from the start here and to the end. So we have to start our explanation here. Okay, maybe we can explain from the start of 2022 January instead of this part because this is going to give us summary, and we cannot waste our time in this video. And if you didn't subscribe for more explanation about another stocks instead of BBBY, maybe BBIG, Molen, Tesla, and another good famous stocks. So I think this is going to be referring back to be like this. Okay, so I think we have to resistance to support this, and after it an increase. So that is going to be a good thing is that is going to be in our mind, and we put trend line here, so that it's going to be the part where it has one Fibonacci level. So I think it's going to be 0 to 1 Fibonacci level, and that is absolutely the thing that I can focus on like a trader in this video about it. And we have to know that this is going to be the separation of waves between each two trend lines. Okay, so we have to know that the rebounding part could be absolutely here, so that it's going to be an evidence of a presence of trend line of yellow trend line, which is going to be about a value of Fibonacci level 0.382, and its value of in order in of USD is going to be about 18 and 0.18 USD and 41 cents. So we can go and see, so we can see that is going to be the part where we have to know about the increase decrease in momentum, and we can see after it an increase. That is absolutely the thing, is that why I can think about in this stock. However, we can know that the manner that has been increased here would be applicated during the decrease, the same manner that it has increased. So we have second reason here about this increase, which is going to be two slope lines, and this intersection could be absolutely successful for on this part. Okay, and then decreased in momentum because that was about 0 to 1 Fibonacci level. So it would start its journey from 1 Fibonacci level to 0 Fibonacci level. Okay, and then it would increase in momentum in Bid Bath and beyond, because this is going to be the start again from 0 to 1 Fibonacci level. However, this is going to be the cycle of the Bid Bath and beyond BBBY, and this is going to be actually the spike that is going to be in the middle process, and we can say that the spike we have to ignore is going to be only a benefit for the investment and the profit. Okay, that is only the benefit and not going to be about the explanation in order to be about to be explained in a technical analysis form. Okay, so we can have this spike here. So since we can notice the spikes that may happen, and it can reach in the middle of January, the value that has been reached on August 16 August on 17 August 2021. So it may go to reach a value lower than a little bit from this value, maybe lower than the value that is going to be to the previous one here. But I think this spike would be reaching here. Okay, so that is going to be considered in our minds, that is about the first price prediction. Okay, however, this is going to be about BBBY movements. Okay, here is going to be the second price prediction, which is going to be about the decrease in momentum until it can reach this minimum value that it could reach on BBBY, and that is absolutely the thing that is going to be strange for a lot of traders to know why this stock is going to be famous, or is still famous for a lot of very for a long period. Okay, since it started from an old day on an old year. Okay, hope you benefit from this explanation price prediction video.